My dear students, electronic recruitment is not so simple. It is a very tricky way of recruitment. According to Gibbons, one of the recruitment experts, he says the ability to display graphics, dynamic linking between files, and audio-video capabilities make website an incredibly rich source of information about an employer, its products or services, its culture, its size means location, its accompanying lifestyle, and naturally occurring openings. So it means it depends on several things. It depends on graphics. It depends on dynamic linkage between one file to another file. It depends on the website capability of showing audios and videos in a better and appropriate way. These all things make website more incredible. And so we have to think about it whenever we need to use electronic recruitment. There's another opinion that newspaper, although decreasing in importance, are still very popular as a recruitment source. Still, most of the companies are using advertisement in the newspaper. Apart from niche areas such as graduate recruitment, education and technology, older, middle and senior manager still prefer to use newspaper advertisement or recruiting consultant in their job search. It means still advertisement newspapers are quite common and preferred by senior managers and by the old managers. This perhaps explains why some of the organizations remain undecided about advertising job vacancies online. Still, there are a number of companies which think whether they need to advertise through a newspaper or whether they need to advertise through a website, through an online system. So most of the companies preferring to stress the importance of human element in the recruitment activity. For example, if your advertisement in the newspaper, it may have a bigger human element, but the human element may be neglected in the website online system. Some experts argued that recruitment requires more touch and less tech. More touch and less tech. This is a very important phrase, my dear students. And less tech evaluating candidates and persuading them to accept a job offer remain interpersonal issues. So if you would have a more touch and less tech, it would have an interpersonal contact. It would help you to persuade candidates to accept the job offer. Nevertheless, recent researchers shows that managers are more likely to job hunt via the internet. When they were more likely to job hunt via the internet? When the geographical scope of the job is very wider. Means if you want to advertise a job through online system to a wider geographic location, maybe Pakistan, India, China, Sri Lanka, South Asia and whole of the other continents, then maybe the online advertisement would be the best way. Online website would be the best way. But if your geographic location is not wider, then maybe advertisement in the newspaper is the better way. So number 2, a major increase in the pay is sought. And number 3, both small and large companies are being canvassed. If you are canvassing both small and large companies, then online recruitment, electronic recruitment is the more appropriate way. And number 4, a facility with internet navigation exists. If the facility with internet navigation exists, then managers are more likely to hunt job via the internet or via the website recruitment method. And last but not least, managers also can check social networking sites such as Facebook as a means of screening job candidates. My dear students, nowadays most of the managers are screening job candidates through Facebook. Facebook is a social recruitment site. It can be work as a social recruitment site. It's a social networking site. In addition to the Facebook, LinkedIn is a more professional recruitment site. So now managers and the companies are screening job candidates not only through the Facebook, but also through the LinkedIn, Twitter, and other social networking websites. So you need to be very careful when you are posting information on the Facebook and LinkedIn if you are looking for a job in future.